Might not see it, but it's probably there. I hear it. I hear it. I just don't see it. Okay, let's do that. Unfortunately, I'm on the wilderness now, but this might give me a better advantage to see. It might. And it might just give me advantage to get bitten by a rattlesnake. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? Oh, there it is. What the fuck? Just do it. You know what? Fuck this shit. Oh my, what the fuck, dude? This fucking freaks me out so fucking much. Shit, what the hell? Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Something just flew into my eye. It freaked me out. I also just stepped on something hard over there. Here it is. Lift off. There it is, the lift off. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, my tanker! Yoo-hoo! There you go. The video was taken.